Hello everyone, it's Adam here. Super quick video. Coolant on the GS Adventure, something you should be checking, every few thousand miles. It seems like at least the first ship from the factory, they eat away the coolant pretty fast and then it sort of balances out. They don't really eat coolant or drink coolant quickly after the break-in period is done, but it's good to check. So you see these two lines. That's the minimum line, that's the maximum line. I've got coolant just below the minimum. It's not a big deal, but for my operating temperature, BMW recommends a 50-50 mix of water and coolant. Distilled water is what I use. Some people don't really care, but I like to have as pure as possible. You'll see on the back here, just read your coolant. I'll link to this below, but 50-50 antifreeze for the -34 freezing point and 265 boiling point. I guess I could do 60% antifreeze, but kind of a waste of money. And then if you look on the front here, this is the there's the part number, but it's a certain kind of coolant. It's used by pretty much all BMWs. And I bought this from Max BMW for $8. Do this. Now, one thing I should advise is that you use a fresh funnel. Don't use a funnel that you used to change your oil before. So I got another one for $1. Small nozzle. No need to touch the radiator cap, although that's going to be super hot, so be careful. You've got this little black bit right there, so we're just going to pull this back. Boom, just like that. Put this in. Boom, just like that. Get that in. Hang that off, and then I'm going to do coolant up to about the middle there, and then distilled water the rest of the way. Okay, so we got just right over the maximum there, only about an ounce over, and put that back on. And I really think, and what I've read is that, make sure that's tight in there, is that after the initial burn-in period or engine burn-in period, the coolant does drop a lot slower, but always good to keep in mind. Really simple, so I'll link to that below. Easy to do. Even with the full fairings on, there's a little coolant cover in there, and you can still get a funnel in there pretty easily. And you'll be able to see the level by looking down here below behind your right radiator. You'll be able to see the line right there inside the little window there. Okay guys, thanks for watching. As always, ride safe.